Get your brain fit. Thanks to economic growth, social changes, and technological advances, we've all become couch potatoes. This modern-day lack of physical activity has led to rising and alarming rates of chronic diseases throughout the world. Exercise has many benefits for our health. We've all heard this 1,000 times. But can physical activity directly affect our brains? Scientific evidence proves that exercise helps our brain stay fit. Studies have shown that the frontal lobes, which are responsible for advanced and complex brain functions, are among the areas more easily shaped by regular exercise. They are to the brain what a conductor is to an orchestra, regulating and coordinating the so-called executive functions. Executive functions make possible mentally playing with ideas, inhibiting distractions, multitasking, planning for the future, decision-making, and so on. Can physical activity benefit the brain at any age? The part of the brain that deteriorates the fastest is the prefrontal cortex, precisely the area most affected by the practice of exercise. No wonder a lot of studies have focused on the effects of exercise in older adults. So, what are the effects of physical activity in more experienced brains? Turns out that older adults in tip-top physical shape have higher connectivity between brain regions, larger volume of certain areas such as the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory and learning, show different brain activation patterns, and increased thickness of gray matter, which consists of neuronal bodies, and white matter, made of neuronal axons, compared to the inactive elderly. All these benefits translate into better cognitive function, and a reduction in age-associated cognitive impairment and the risk of suffering from neurodegenerative disorders. How about the youngins? Can physical activity benefit what's in their noggins? Recent evidence proves that exercise improves the brain function of school-age children as well. Specifically, being active during childhood has been associated with higher brain volume in structures related to the processing of information and memory. Physically fit children show improved cognitive functions such as concentration, creativity, memory, or perception. These brain functions are the foundation for learning. So, it makes sense that regular participation in physical activity has been linked to positive effects on academic performance in mathematics, reading, writing, and better grades overall. How could this be happening? Molecular studies carried out in animals have shown that exercise increases the production of neurotrophic factors, such as BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor, in areas like the hippocampus. These factors are like the superheroes of the brain, helping neurons survive, stay healthy, and protecting them from injuries. In particular, BDNF promotes the formation of new neurons, a process known as neurogenesis, ensures that more of them survive, and promotes the establishment of new connections in the already existing neurons. All these changes result in improved cognitive performance. Hope you're now convinced to get your brain fit.